How to use built-in effects in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project and select the track you want to apply effects to. Click on the track header and you will see a section labeled Effects track at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your effects will be added and managed. Next, click the plus icon in the Effects track to view the list of available built-in effects. These include EQ, Reverb, Delay, Distortion, Compressor, Volume Tuner, and more. Choose an effect that fits your sound. For example, add Reverb for spacious feel, Delay for echo, Distortion for grit, EQ to shape tune, or Vocal Tuner to correct pitch. After selecting an effect, it will appear in the rack and open its control. You can now adjust parameters like reverb size, delay time, or EQ frequencies. Tweak these settings while playing your track to hear how they change to sound in real time. If you want to add more effects, simply repeat the process. You can stack multiple effects on one track and even rearrange their order by dragging them. Disorder effects, how the sound is processed, so experiment to find what works best. Finally, if you need to remove an effect, right-click on the effect and select Remove. This allows you to keep your mix clean and focused. You can also click the Turn Off button at the top left corner of the effect to disable it, and turn it back on by clicking the same button. And that's it. Now you know how to use built-in effects in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.